afternoon, everybody. My name is Julia Geffers, and I'm the CEO of Hoxell. We provide a state-of-the-art platform designed by a hotelier for hoteliers to help guarantee a clear and seamless communication between the departments with the ultimate goal to deliver the best possible hospitality journey for the guest. Before we dive into Hoxell, allow me to share with you a short story about our founder, Carlo Fontana. Carlo belongs to a family of hoteliers, and little did he know that this would also be his true passion, taking care of people and listening to their needs. Don't you all like it when you go to a hotel and the minibar is stocked with the drinks you prefer, you've got the right pillow and everything is really set for you to have an incredible stay? Well, to do all this, Carlo needed every single person of the team to be part of his endeavor, to be aware of the guests' expectations and of the role they had to play. So he created and implemented the software in his own property. And let me tell you, the results were exciting. So he thought, if it works for me, why can't it work for hoteliers worldwide? Today, thanks to Hoxell, 15,000 staff members can take care of 1 million guests per year to have the best and most flawless service and best stay. So let me tell you, the moment is now also for you. With the state-of-the-art software, we can contribute to the digitalization of the processes to simplify and perfect your everyday life as a hotelier. Running a hotel is very much like directing an orchestra, to play a wonderful symphony that will enchant hundreds of guests. Even with the right partiture, the best musicians, and most precious instruments, things can go wrong. So if one musician loses a beat, another one doesn't know what set is being played, and the third is absent for a second. So Hoxell will do exactly this. Make sure that throughout the complex daily task at a hotel, everyone has the right information at the right time and communicates with the right person. So keywords that characterize our platform are created by the mind of a hotelier with the help of engineers, though, is simplicity and communication. So allow me to illustrate to you the key features that will make you choose us. We know your needs. We know your challenges, the opportunities you may have, and the goals that drive you. Our platform is adaptable and easy to configure. So first of all, we're an open cloud-based system. There's no interface that we cannot do. Any PMS or software can be connected to us. Configuring your property will just take minutes. We can do it remotely. We can do it on site. Most importantly, we will upload all your processes and procedures, as well as setting up your rooms and common spaces. And the only thing you need is a PC or a Mac, a tablet, or a smartphone, and of course, a good wireless connection. And then you're set and ready to go. As I said, simplicity is really the key word here, and you will see it immediately in our look and feel. We work with filters and icons, thus creating a very limited need for descriptions. And this, together with the use of keywords, allows for a very straightforward communication. We cater also to each user. So each user will have a different access. And most importantly, the system will speak their language. No matter which language around the world, it can be supported. And the information happens in real time. So this means that every staff member will be able to see the information, if the information has been read, actioned upon, or if a task has been performed. Flexibility is another keyword I'd like you to focus on. And basically what we do is we work with tasks. Anything that you are performing inside of a property can be connected to a task, and it can be assigned to any department. So it might be housekeeping, but also front office, maintenance, spa, excursions, events, you name it. And secondly, we work with spaces. Now, of course, a space in a hotel is clearly the rooms, but not only that. It can also be common spaces. It can be public rooms. It can be the meeting rooms. And last but not least, the guest profile. So you can always write down all the information about the guest so that everybody in the property is really aware about the people. And of course, when you have a system, what you do need as well is reporting. And on top of that, if you're part of a group, the possibility to compare and to benchmark. Now, our system allows you to have all sorts of reports that you might need. And in that way, you can always gather all the best practices, everything that is happening at property. And if you are part of a group, you can actually benchmark the way your colleagues are working in the different properties. So let me wrap this up by saying you can forget about those tons of paper and wasted and toner wasted. You can forget about the misunderstandings, the mistakes in the count of the minibar. You can welcome now a much flawless and clear communication, statistics, and of course, motivated and empowered staff. You will tell me these are tough times to invest in such a product, but also this will pass, and we all know that. And the guests will be wanting to travel again and to come and see you at your properties. We see ourselves as your partners. So we have built a pricing system that is actually risk shared. You're doing well, we'll all benefit. You're not doing well, you will basically not pay. Our pricing model is linked to your size, the months open, and your occupancy. So let us help you to orchestrate what you do best. Focus on your guests, deliver them a best-in-class experience, and of course, unforgettable moments. Welcome to Hoxell.
That was impressive, Julia. And I love the design. And I love the fact that your shirt actually matches the color of the presentation. With somebody
Lots of thinking.
A lot of thinking with somebody with OCD like me. That's very good.
Good.
And okay, so we got some question. The first one is from Gavin.
Hi, Julia. Lovely presentation. I love the flexibility in terms of the pricing. That's very well thought of. Partnering with the business on a business-to-business level. I wanted to take you up on, I had a quick look at your website earlier because I gather you're Swiss-based and I didn't come across your company until today. What I really liked was the mention of happy staff, or happier staff. So can I ask you what, within your system, what functionality and what features have been encompassed with that in mind? Because happy staff equal to happy guests, right? That's what we all think of. So would you mind sharing anything in that regard with us?
Yes. I think it's about empowering and helping the staff also to be really realizing that they are making the difference. Now, the system is so easy to use that it can be extremely empowering for any level of staff at property level. And so they will very quickly understand what they need to do, what is expected from them. They can tick boxes very simply, be sure that they're doing a good work. And that is something that is extremely motivating to them. It is also a little bit of a pride, if you think about it. If you go around with a little device that looks smart, you have your things, you can look at the guest, you see him, you say, oh, hello, Miss Kidman, that would be easy, but maybe Miss Geffers, a bit more difficult. So, it's a way that they really feel that they are doing and are making the difference. And we can see that when you look at the comments on the most typical, TripAdvisor, etc. You see how often now, in those properties of ours that are using Hoxell, you see how often staff members are mentioned personally because they manage to create a relation with the guest, which ultimately is what motivates them as well.
Okay, excellent. I think that's one part of your system you should keep your focus on as you'll go along, because I can tell you that's not very common. So that's really refreshing to hear from a provider. Thank you.
Thank you, Gavin.
Thank you for your question. Fede.
Yes, thank you, Julia, for your presentation, and very interesting. I wanted to go deeper in your tool since time. So my two questions that are
again
now the rules.
You're making my job very difficult here.
No, okay. No, very, very quickly. So the first one, I just wanted to double check if I understood well, because maybe I missed something. If I have understood well, you said that if you are not doing well, hotelier will not pay. So I would like to know how you track if you are performing well and if there are any criteria. And second question is about the communication about the different departments. So I understand that housekeeping, maintenance, room service, front office, and even booking office is involved, and you have a backstage, let's say, communication, but also communication with the client.
Correct.
That is possible. Yeah. So my question is how since in your website I saw that there are also ancillary revenue that was mentioned, how you can implement this with the communication with the guests, and how you can support this incremental revenue to do it.
Okay, so on the pricing, let me explain that. Basically, what we do is we reason by the number of rooms, the numbers of months open, and that creates a cost per room. However, only per occupied room. So according to your occupancy, if you have a 30% occupancy, you will have a different pricing that you pay versus a 65% occupancy or 100% occupancy. And the idea behind that is that in times of crisis, as this one is, and we're in the middle of it, and we still don't really know when it will end, it's very important for the hotel to have the security to say, I'm investing in a tool that will be fair. So if things are not going well, I will automatically not be billed for something. If things are going well, however, of course, I need to pay the services that I take advantage of. So that's the thought behind it. And so basically, it really depends on each single room that is occupied. We can see that because in the system, it's very clear if a room is busy or not busy because it's being cleaned or not being cleaned. So it's a very easy and mathematical calculation to be done that can be proven really on the real occupancy.
Got it. Thank you.
So that is on the pricing. And on the communication, of course, I mean, as I said, we reason by tasks. So whatever you think that is a task at your property can be gathered into the system. This means that all departments are really using Hoxell ideally, and that's what we are aiming for. Now, we also have a second product that is a personal concierge product, which is the one that we offer that a hotel can send pre, post, and during stay communications to the guest. And that can cater into this exchange, this direct exchange between the guest and the hotel. And here is where the upselling comes, because if I send an email to a guest arriving and I say, by the way, did you know that you could go to the spa? Or did you know that you could have extra roses in your room when you arrive? That is additional revenue that you can create by creating this personalized stay. So that's where that comes from.
Okay, got it. Thank you.
Makes sense.
Thank you,
Makes
Federica.
Sense. Roberta, we got 1 minute for the question and for the answer.
Okay, just very quickly, do you provide the hardware or do people use their own? And what is the security around that? Because of course you've got a housekeeper cleaning a room, taking maybe pictures and knowing sensitive information about the guest on their own device.
Absolutely. Very good question. Thank you for that. Of course, we are GDPR compliant, so any kind of information will be staying on the device and locked into the program, so it will not be used in any other way. That's number one. And number two, on the devices, no, we leave our properties completely free to choose. So basically, it depends on how a property wants to reason. Many properties decide that they would like to have a tablet, for example, for every single user, and that's their choice. Others decide that they have, like, per service, a certain amount of devices. So that is really something that the properties can decide. In general, we always say, if you can do a one-to-one, it's better, because it's, again, empowering. Going back to Gavin's question at the beginning, it empowers the people that are using it. And on the other side, it's also a question of responsibility of having something that the company has, the hotel has given to you. And of course, you can lock those devices as well, so that, as we heard before, the person using the device will not go surfing on the internet or sharing any sort of information, but it will stay on the device itself.